Our app is ready. It's time to make a review and check that all the data for publication are correct. To do this, once again, we will move to the dashboard section of our app, where among other elements, you will find a list with things to improve or solve in your app before publishing. There are three types of possible situations: required, which will be represented by a red indicative, important, with its corresponding button in yellow, and optional in blue. The functions marked in red are an unavoidable solution, and not fixing them will prevent you from uploading the app. However, if you have followed all the instructions until now and filled in all the fields that have been indicated throughout the course, you should not find any of these signs. The red indicator will also appear if you have not defined the method of compilation or payment, and in case your app includes elements that are not free with payment pending to be processed. In yellow and blue will appear other states to modify, although in this case are suggestions of greater or lesser importance. Even if you don't fill in the mark in yellow, you will be able to publish your app. Giving them a solution will give you better results for the user or the markets. You can see that next to each ad there is an edit button. This will give you direct access to the window where you must make the suggested arrangement. In King of App, we recommend you to update each one of the points to optimize your app to the maximum. Remember this window we are in because once you have completely checked the status of your app, you must return here to click the Publish button, through which you will send our team the final version of your application. They will be in charge of compiling and publishing your app in the stores.